Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make these kind of pavilion designs in the Rhino. So I'm going to choose here the new files and I'm going to choose the large object with the centimeter. I'm going to expand this perspective view, or even I can use the right side view to draw a rectangle. So I can use the command REC for the rectangle, and I can draw the rectangle like this way. So I'm gonna make this one as the 4000 and the height that it will be the 8 meter. Now let's go back to the perspective view. Now let's make the copy of these rectangles. And just slightly rotate this rectangle. Okay, now I'm gonna use the loft command. Start selecting the object. Now just accept the paths. Now here the loft option is created. Over here, okay. Now I'm going to extract the edges from this loft. So I'm going to use the command called the contour. Now select the object for the contour. And now I'm going to select the base point and the end point of this contour object. Now here I'm going to choose the distance between the contour. So let it be the 150. So I press enter. So now the contour is created here, and see the numbers of the contour created is very high because of this gap. So let's increase the gap. So in that cases the numbers will be increasing. So I'm going to use the contour again. Object base point from here till here. Now the distance I'm going to use it like, let's use it as 300. See, I get a few numbers over here. Okay, now the contour lines are created. Now let's move this outside. So I can use this offset command to make some thickness here. So let's use the offset. Now you can select this curve for an offset. Now the distance given here is the 50. Now let's make it like 300. Okay, let's offset this way. Now again repeat the same command for all of. Offset is completed. Now let's do the extrude for the curve. So I'm going to use this command called the extrude curve. Now select the curves to extrude. So I'm going to select all these curves. Okay. Now just create it like this way.